costly private medical care. For very poor patients who cannot afford even the nominal rates, the expenditure is met by Maharaji himself. On the persistent demand of Dera followers from UK, Maharaji paid the first visit to UK in the year 1985. Then almost every year he visited UK. During one of these trips in 1990, he laid the foundation stone of Sri Guru Ravidas Bhavan, Birmingham, which had got burnt in an accidental fire. The same Guru Ghar was inaugurated by him on 15th March 1992 at an impressive function held there.
स्वामी गुरु रविदास महाराज जी के पवित्र नाम से सजे गुरु विराजमान होते गुरुसावन ने पावन पवित्र चरण कवला के शिक्षा स्टार करके और गुरुसावन ने पवित्र उपदेश संचार के और महान तपस्वी महान कार्यक्रम ज्ञानी ब्रह्मदेव श्री नामी परम पूज्य सर्वबाप कवलाती महाराज संतन सर्वस्वामी सर्वराशि महाराज संतन सर्वस्वामी हरिदास महाराज सत्यनारायण गद्दी के विराजमान परम पूज्य सर्वस्वामी विकास महाराज पावन पवित्र चरण कवला के प्राप्त करके
In the same trip, he laid the foundation stone of other Guru Ghars such as Coventry, Leicester, and Southampton. His trip to UK in 1992 was a historic one. During this trip, he made a program to visit USA on the persistent demand of the Sangat there. Many followers of Maharaji from UK also wanted to accompany him, but Maharaji ordered only 12 of them to do so. All these followers who bore their own expenses remained with him throughout this trip to USA and Canada. During his 6 trips to UK and 2 to USA and Canada, he initiated many followers to the path of spirituality, bestowed them with Namdan, and exhorted them to unite under one banner. Maharaj Garib Das Ji was a visionary saint. He also understood the importance of having such a newspaper as would serve the cause of the community and propagate the teachings and philosophy of Guru Ravidas Ji. So in 1991, the presence of many saints from Punjab, he laid the foundation stone of a religious weekly named Begumpura, thus giving a voice to the poor people. This weekly is serving our people till date with a new name, Begumpura Shahar. As in foreign countries, in India also, he laid the foundation stones of or inaugurated a number of Guru Ghars named after Guru Ravidas Ji. On all such occasions, he used to give suitable donation to encourage people for the early completion of such projects. He also laid the foundation stone of Sant Sarvan Das teaching block at Guru Ravidas ITI College at Phagwada and donated the expenses of a room to encourage the noble cause. Completion of the hospital at Qatar was a mission as well as passion with Maharaji. Therefore, he used to divert most of his funds for this purpose. But keeping in view the convenience of increasing number of pilgrims to the Dera, he also started construction of a langar hall and after that a multi-story Yatri Nivas in the Dera. During his lifetime itself, the ground and the first floor were completed, whereas the second and third floors were completed later. Sant Sarvan Das Memorial Gate on the road to village Bal was built jointly by Sangat of village Bal and the Dera. He got it inaugurated from Sant Ishar Das Ji, Gopal Nagar, Jalandhar on 11th June 1994 on the occasion of Barsi Samagam of Maharaj Sant Sarvan Das Ji. Immediately after this function, as if he had the premonition of his departure from this worldly abode, he urged most of his followers to accompany him to pay a visit to Guru Ravidas Janamsthan Mandir, Sir Govardhanpur, Varanasi. This journey was undertaken by rail from 16th June to 23rd June 1994, in which many of his followers from foreign countries also participated. It was very hot and humid in Varanasi. When the Sangat asked Maharaji why he chose such a weather to undertake this pilgrimage, he replied that I wanted to show you conditions under which we work to construct this temple. A hugely attended Dharmik Samagam was held on this occasion.
कबीर और रविदास जी विपन्न घर में जन्म लिया, बहुत गरीब के घर में जन्म लिया। अपने तप से, अपने योग से संसार में विख्यात हो गए, इसलिए ये लोग उनसे महान हुए। राजा का लड़का स्वयं शुरू से पूज्य होता है, सलाम लोग करते हैं। एक मजदूरे के लड़के को, एक गरीब के लड़के को लोग देखना नहीं चाहते, उससे स्पर्श नहीं करना चाहते। लेकिन सदगुरु कबीर और सदगुरु रविदास इस ब्राह्मणों की धरती पर पुजाया, खूब पुजाया, चारों वर्ण पुजाया, चारों वर्ण से पुजाया उन्होंने। इसलिए ऐसे महान संतों की कीर्ति होनी चाहिए। अगर ये आप लोगों ने इस मंदिर को बनाया, अगर अभी धन हो आपके पास तो इसको ऐसा बनाओ कि इस भारत में इसका जोड़कर कोई मंदिर न होना चाहिए।
Those people who were part of this trip will never forget this pilgrimage.